I'm going to show you the watermark problem on CapCut PC. For example, this is a video project, and I want to go export the video. But there's a watermark. I want to choose watermark off. After that, it says Pro Benefits, 1 item. Because closing the watermark is a pro feature. I cannot go export my video. It says Join Pro. I have researched this issue, and on the internet there are some possible solutions for watermark removal. I will show them first, and then at the end of the video, I will show you the perfect solution. Keep watching. The first solution is to follow this path on your PC. For example, C, Users, your username, App Data, Local, CapCut, Apps. In this path, you will find your previous versions of CapCut. Now I'm using 5.30 version, and I can also see 5.20 here. If I click here and search for CapCut exe, I can run this application and maybe I can get rid of the watermark, because there was no watermark problem in older versions. Another way to find any older versions is, go Google and search for CapCut for PC old versions. There's a website called Up to Down. Click on it. You will find lots of versions here. For example, I can find 2.52 version. This is an exe file. Make sure that it's secure because it can include viruses. I was able to remove the watermark using older versions. But CapCut must have figured out the trick because it is no longer possible to remove the watermark. Even if you can't use many features in older versions. So the perfect solution is, just go to CapCut, go click Join Pro, and choose a package here. I'm completing the payment process. If you're into video editing, it's best to try the Pro version, because the price is affordable compared to many video editors. My subscription is successful. You can try just a month and decide if it's worth it. Now if I go export my video, I can choose off and export my video easily. That's all. If you find a better method, let me know in the comments. That way, I will have a reason to cry at night. Subscribe my channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.